Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here with another video, and today I am back after a long but needed hiatus. I'm gonna save all that for another video, but I am back today because I have some very exciting things to share with you guys. But I've recently had a hair company reach out to me by the name of Miss Cara Hair, and I spoke to Zoe, and it's crazy because I spoke to her in the beginning of June, and she said she was they were a hair company on AliExpress, and they were doing a hair giveaway, and they wanted to give me hair in exchange for a review. And I was super excited, so I answered them and I told them, sure, like, yeah, I'm interested. But for some reason they didn't get back to me until recently, and I finally received the hair to review for you guys, so I'm super excited. Like, this is my first sponsored video. They're sending me hair, I'm doing a review for them. The hair is super bomb. So the choices that they had for hair were straight hair, deep wave, loose deep wave, kinky curly hair, and I decided to go with the kinky curly hair. So the length that I got was, I got a 20-inch closure, a 20-inch bundle, and then 22 and 24. So 24 is my longest bundle. They weren't promoting their frontals, but I really didn't mind because I haven't really been wearing frontals like that because I've been rocking my natural hair. And then I honestly don't think frontals are made for my hairline because my hairline goes kind of low, and the way frontals are, it just wasn't working with like the glue and all that stuff. So I decided to work with them, and I'm gonna show you the hair that I got. By the way, the hair came super fast. They contacted me on a Tuesday and they told me the hair would ship out, and it came Thursday morning. Like, it was super fast, so that's pretty bomb. So I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I did receive. So it did come in the netting. All the bundles come in a netting. So this is a 24-inch bundle. As far as like smell and stuff, the hair does have a smell, of course. It just smells like it's been in a factory. I don't really mind because I do wash my bundles before I use them. But this is the hair, you guys. It is so beautiful. Do you see that? The curls are like dense. Like, I love it. It's beautiful hair. It's shiny. It's soft. And for the most part, this hair has pretty good reviews. And I just wanted to do the kinky curly because during my little natural phase that I was going through, like where I was wearing my natural hair for a few months, I've grown to love my hair even more. And I love hair with texture. So I was like, if I'm gonna get hair or curly hair, I want kinky curly hair because I just love the way it looks. It's beautiful hair. And it is true to length because when you stretch the curls out, it's pretty long. So it stops like right by my waist. Oh, I cannot wait to have this on my head. It is beautiful. Okay, so this is the other two bundles. This is the 22, and then this is the 20. And these bundles are super thick. Like, look at that. They're so thick. The hair is so soft. Like, I cannot wait to put this in. Like, bomb. This is just bomb because, first of all, they were so sweet. They reached out to me. They took the time because I thought after June they were gonna dub me. I was like, okay, they're taking super long to answer me. It's a dub. But they contacted me recently and they were like, are you still interested in working with us? And I'm like, yeah, I'm down. And she was communicating with me. She asked me what length I wanted. She didn't dub me when I said I wanted 24 because I know 24 is kind of long for some companies. She allowed me to get whatever texture I wanted. She sent my package out express. Like, I got it super fast. Customer service is amazing, and they're super affordable. I'm pretty sure the deal that I got was around $177. So you're getting 3 bundles of hair and a closure for $180, under $200, because We trying to save money out here. We ain't spending a flex, okay? Definitely gonna put all the specs down below. I'm gonna put their store down below, and I'm gonna put the deal that I got down below. But this hair is beautiful. Like, look at that. That is so pretty, and it has so much luster, and I'm running my fingers through it, and it's like amazing. It's amazing. And you know, sometimes curly hair gives you a problem, but I'm really curious to see how this is gonna hold up. And this is the closure, and it's a standard 4x4. That's what most companies sell. It could use a little bit of plucking, but it is a closure, so it's gonna last longer than a frontal anyway, which is why I kind of switched over to closures, because frontals were just giving me a whole lot of issues. But I digress. Beautiful. Like, look at this. Bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. Ooh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm gonna be acting a fool, but... And guys, as always, I will definitely come back when I finally have the hair installed in my head and I'm actually wearing it, to show you guys how it's holding up, because I'm never gonna give you guys an initial review and not keep you guys updated. So stay tuned to see how the hair holds up, and if I still like it in a few weeks, because you know sometimes it be switching up, the hair be switching up on you. But I'm definitely gonna come back and show you guys how it's holding up. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.